Hello, good day from Sudhanshu. In this video, I will showcase how to use Google Gemini. First of all, you will have to go to this URL, that is gemini.google.com. Simply type gemini.google.com, or what you can do is open a new tab and type in Gemini. Simply type Gemini and it will lead you to the first link that directs you to gemini.google.com. Once you are on this URL, I am also mentioning it in the video in the description section of this video. Once you are on gemini.google.com, simply go to the prompt area. This window here, this text box is known as prompt area. Select the task you want to do, that is create an image or a video or a music, whatever you want to do. In this scenario, we will cover a topic of creating an image. So simply click on create image. This will lead you to create an effective image and start with typing create an image of a coffee shop in a cold weather. Press the enter key and within few seconds, 30 to 40 seconds, it will generate and showcase an image of coffee shop in a cold weather. That image you can use for your task, whichever you want to do as per your requirements. So this is how you can use gemini.google.com. You can click on the download button to download it to your local computer, or you can simply copy and paste it wherever you want it. Chalo, that is one task. The other task is you can always change the model. That is, you can go from here to default settings, which was tools. So once you are here, okay, download. Done. So once you are here, after clicking the X button, you can simply type write a letter to my boss for marriage leave. Press the enter key and it will draft a letter to your boss. Now the magic part is you can click on this more button and export it or to your draft in Gmail. Directly from this environment, click on open Gmail and it will guide you to the draft email pop-up automatically. Once you are on this environment, you simply need to enter the email address. Okay. Make the corrections, whatever required, and simply click the send button. Well, that's how simplified it is. Wishing you good times. Have a good day. Bye-bye.